Myself Sudhir Bakare. I am Managing Director of Bakare Engineers Private Limited. I am a graduate production engineer and having almost 35 years of machine shop experience. Bakare Engineers Private Limited was established in year 2021, and we have installed around 4 HMCs, 2 VMCs, 2 CNC lathes, 1 VTL and 1 CMM machine. Presently we are catering to the local requirement of automobile and agriculture equipment components. We have started this machine shop in 2021, and we are at that time we have finalized orders for some critical components like crankcase, planetary gear carriers, and for that we are in need of a machine which is having great positional accuracy as well as less breakdown time and higher parameters. That's why we have went in for LMW machines. We have installed 2 VMC machines. One is JV80 from LMW and another one is JVM60, which is a rotary pallet changer machine. And right from the beginning, for the last 2.5 years, we are using both these machines without any major breakdown and all this, and we are getting required accuracies at the same time. This JVM60 machine is comparable with many imported machines. We are getting almost 450 minutes of cutting time in a shift, and there is a loading unloading time is 0, and for the 2.5 years the performance of the machine is very satisfactory. That's why we have placed an order another machine which will be installed maybe within next couple of months. Also we are discussing with LMW for the HMC machines also. Apart from this machine performance, this sales and service support of the LMW team is also very good. That's why we have entered into an agreement for this further machines, and we thank you for the LMW team.